Interactive troubleshooting using Gwani Troubleshooter, which is a software that will help you do your troubleshooting work of desktops, smartphones, and laptops effectively. The versions of this troubleshooter: we have a version for desktop, which you are going to use interactively to troubleshoot desktops, computers. We have the laptop and notebook troubleshooter, which can guide you interactively to troubleshoot laptop and notebook. And lastly, the smartphone troubleshooter, which will interactively guide you on troubleshooting smartphones. These are the three versions of the software we have. The desktop version, it's troubleshoot power supply of desktop computers, troubleshoot video failure associated with desktop computers, troubleshoot motherboards, central processing unit, and then RAM of desktop computers. It also troubleshoot hard disk drive failure associated with desktop computers. It troubleshoot DVD and CD drive failure, sound failure, keyboard and mouse failure, operating system failure of desktop computers. Our troubleshooter has a limit of liability, and the liability is shown on the screen before you can start using the troubleshooter. And user must agree with this limit of liability and disclaimer of warranty before user can make use of our troubleshooting software. How to use Gwani Troubleshooter. You need to get a system, either desktop or laptop, install the troubleshooter in it. That will be your guide. Then you take this your PC, which is having the troubleshooter installed, to your workshop whenever you want to troubleshoot other systems. Now you used the system having the troubleshooter, it will now be interactively guiding you on how to troubleshoot other system. It's an interactive guide telling you what to do, asking you what have you observed when you have done a particular thing, and from there it can now pinpoint what is wrong with the computer. This is a screen capture of how the troubleshooter looks like. By the time you launch the troubleshooter, this button will allow you to go to the previous troubleshooting, and then this button will allow you to go to the next troubleshooting. And this is a panel where a question will come up asking you on what you observe, or what you are supposed to do. And then you answer the question with either a yes or a no. After you choose a yes or no, you click on troubleshoot, and then you move to the next screen on the next action to do or on what is being observed. And then another button here is to start all over. We have two of them, and this is for exiting. Where a successful troubleshooting has been done, the screen here at this side will now show you what the troubleshooter has pinpointed as a problem with your system. Like in the case here, the troubleshooter is saying replaced switch or the entire front panel, and a picture of the front panel is shown for you to see what is actually wrong and what you need to replace. The impact this software will have in your work, troubleshooting work, it will systematically guide you to troubleshoot desktop faster. It will reduce the time taken to troubleshoot your systems. It makes you to avoid errors or trial by error troubleshooting. It reduces your spending on staff training, as a staff with a minimum training can use this troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will guide the staff on how to do troubleshooting work. So your spending on training your staff on troubleshooting will be reduced. It gives reputations to your work as a troubleshooting engineer. It makes you abreast to the latest technology, and it makes you see hardware in a bigger picture. Lastly, it connects you with experts where the troubleshooter cannot troubleshoot a particular case. Then it will connect you to an expert using Skype and other means of connection. License, that is the EULA, End User License Agreement. The cost of license for this software is 5,500 Naira, which is equivalent to $55. And each license is licensed to only one machine, either a desktop, a laptop, or a notebook. How to get the troubleshooter? You log on to www.gwanisoftware.com/software/pc_troubleshooter.php.